Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download and install the LinkedIn app on your phone, so you can start networking right away. First, unlock your phone and open the Play Store from your apps list. At the top of the screen, tap on the search bar and slowly type in LinkedIn. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right app appears. You'll now see LinkedIn show up in the results with the familiar blue logo. Tap on it once to open the app page, then tap the green Install button. The download will begin, so give it a few seconds while it installs on your device. When the installation is complete, the button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. From here, you can either sign in with your existing account or create a brand new one to start connecting with professionals around the world. That's how you can easily download and install the LinkedIn app on your phone. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.